Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cooking with Cinder, and I'm back again. So in today's video, I'll be taking you to straight Manfi Asuchare in Water region where they process Garri. So Garri is made from cassava and it's being tagged as household food in West Africa, especially Ghana and Nigeria. This food has its unique process and that's what we're looking at in today's video. So basically Garri from Water region tastes really nice. It's Saturday morning and me and my talk guy, Sister Kuya, left home.
And I'm heading towards Mafikumas where they produce Garri over there. So inside the private car, taxi, yeah, kind of going to Mafikumas.
And about an hour and a half minutes drive, we were in Mafikumas. Unfortunately for us, there was a lot of funeral in the village, so most of the Garri processors were not working on that day. So we had to go to 3 different locations to search for the whole process. So within 3 these locations, we had those who were peeling the cassava and washing them, those who were also frying, and those who were also squeezing. So amazing content, and I hope you like the video. If this is your first time watching, kindly share and subscribe and turn notification bell so be notified when a new video drops. Let's do this. Record it.
And over here it's called Manfi Asuchare. Yeah, and they make Garri over here. You know that when it comes to Garri, Water region has the best Garri in Ghana. So over here and behind me is a village, and what they do over here is Garri, they process Garri. So I'm here with some of the locals over here, and as you can see, they are processing. So this is the starting point of everything. They bring the cassava from the farm and they peel everything over here. Mommy, look out there. What is it? Then I'm waiting.
Yes,
Banchi. Now you're for Agbilima and I say by friends for them. But you're Garri. Oh, okay.
Agbalimano see ye. Galino.
More. Okay, so basically they do the cassava dough, but this particular production is for Garri. Like they do most Garri than the cassava dough. Okay. Now, but I was saying, say,
and I'm going to be before Banshan and Ban. Yeah. Now I'm punching Musso and
punching. Okay, it's in punching into the Yamu and the Sano. Oh, okay. It's what your friend say, Banchin Kuiba. How many days they do and son of master some most sensitive?
Yeah, buy
Namashasi. Okay.
Says I am chasing the more. Adiba science.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yes, you from neighbor.
I'm moving from neighbor. In a month, my home cramos and trust, no. Wow. As we speak now, they just came from farm and they are doing it. Man, this is really hard work.
It's really unfortunate that in this 21st century, there's no proper machinery or equipment in Africa or Ghana to be used to process Garri. That's our mothers always use the old method. I don't know if it's lack of investors or the government is not supporting local business.
So over here is the washing part of it. So you see, like neatly done, very white. And but I'm washing how many times? How many times I'm washing in person? Yeah, 2 times. So, okay. Okay, so they wash it 2 times from here and there. Then they store everything over here like that. And they have this big basket over here where they store everything inside. It's about one ammonium. Where? Machine. Where is it? What do you here? Okay. So the machine will come. Okay, so the machine, the grinding mill is like a mobile kind of thing, so it goes rotation. Wow. So when we're ready, then the machine will come, then they'll grind it. Then someone also. So when them are high, so it's like rental kind of. Wow. Interesting. After they've grinded it, this is how it looks like. So this is a manual kind of squeezing. Okay, so over here, as I said, it's a village. So they do everything by themselves. So they make this mechanical stuff over here with the chain and the cat tie so that to give pressure on the sack to squeeze the liquid from the sack or from the cassava. So this is how it looks like. Man, this is African local way. So you can see the liquid coming out from there. The bubbles and the foamy, these particles. So they squeeze everything over here to become like this. Wow. So you can see it tie the sack very hard and tight so that everything will come out. So after from the machine, after being dry, they now bring it like here and they sieve it. So this is how they sieve it. They have this sieve over here, baji, and they will sieve it. So all the big particles will remain over here, and this is how they do it. Because this is the final product that they will fry it. So when we came, they've already sieved or they've already broken them into pieces. That's why I don't see them in bulk. Okay. Okay, so this is the final process where the gari is done. So from the sieving, it will come here. Then please, why these two? Why does it finish then you bring it here? Why?
For making it very faster for us.
Ah, okay. Oh, okay. So okay. Oh, okay.
If it is only me, will not be
Fast. Oh, I understand. So basically, she will do some part of it, and she will do the rest of it to make it fast, because frying it alone will take time. For how many minutes? 30 minutes and 1 hour.
like 10 minutes.
10 minutes to dry it. So okay. So she will dry it, then you will finish it.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. Wow. So this gari, water raging gari. Wow. And
this process, do you see it? Because I'm seeing some big lumps in it.
And
This one.
the buyers,
who sieve it?
some of them will accept to buy it
Like,
this.
okay.
Yes, but some of them will not accept to receive it. This
The seed baja, alo baja.
Baje. So basically, we are talking about these big ones. Yes. Yeah. So they will sieve it. The buyers will sieve it. And so do you sell to Accra or you only sell to Water Region?
Oh, the buyers will come for Accra.
But if someone calls you that you want to buy some, can you give it to car?
Yes.
You sure? Have you done some before?
Yes.
Have you done some before?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So basically, this is how Gary. Can I take some? Can I? Okay. So let me taste some and see. Man, it's what? Man, it's nice. It's nice. I lose right there. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. And this was soaking to go by. What's the number? 0249 30 28 47. And your name? Linda. Linda, okay. So this is Linda, and she's inside Ho Manfe, okay, and she does gari. Man, I've tried the gari. Yes, perfect, amazing, delicious. And if you want to big business, call her and she'll ship some to you wherever you are in Ghana.
So on my arrival, they welcomed me nicely and I had to show them appreciation. I sponsored for their lunch so that we could all eat together. The food they requested was akpele with smoked fish and hot pepper. It was all fun and beautiful. Yeah, so that's for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and at least having an idea of how gari is being processed. So let's do this again. For Shizm Manizo, make sure you share the video and subscribe to the page if you believe in authentic content. Let's do this again. Orokodo, I'm out.
So this is our private jet. Anyway,
This is the rider.
the rider. Number one rider, first say.
Hey, Starface.
Starface, that one friend on time. Starface Botos. Yeah. Mafke. Hey, who is Mafke?
Yeah, Mercedes.
I had one Mafke. Hey, mu papa for some.